Hi, today for the REALME 10 Pro Plus, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner task on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct. I just unlocked the device less than in 1 of the second. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method, but don't forget that you just have no chance to unlock the device with a simple touch. You should just hold for a while the sensor here to unlock the device successfully. That's why I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.